this back is frozen. Oh. Yeah, it's coming out of you. Oh. Just briefly tell me what brings you in today and where you mainly want me to work on you.
Yeah, so I've got a lot of tension in my neck and upper back from working and sitting at a computer.
Okay.
Also recently, my lower back has been giving me a lot of pain. Like when I try to bend or kind of twist, it'll shoot pain down my leg and into my foot.
Okay.
And then I also deal with plantar fasciitis in my left foot. So those are the main areas.
The big ones?
Yeah.
Okay. And you've been dealing with the plantar fasciitis for a few years as well.
Mm.
And then the low back has been a few years as well, or did that kind of start a little bit?
That's a little newer. I would say that's within the last year. The neck and upper back, I've always kind of had pain.
Kind of had those. Yeah, and you had an auto accident about a year ago.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you never T-boned?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's caused some discomfort from that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, and the right shoulder is definitely a little more tense.
Yeah, I can feel that. Like this one I can kind of push through a little bit. And then the right is just all pushed out.
Yeah.
And I think that is the result of that T-bone. Because if they hit you on this side, on the driver's side of the car, your spine's gonna do this. So it pushes all of this out. So we have work to do to try to push this back that way. I'm gonna be trying to push you in this direction, try to reverse that impact.
Makes sense.
And when your back goes this way, your neck also goes that way.
And when I move that way, I can feel like a pain shoot right here.
You can feel it pinch there when I move you this way. You feel it push out there, but then once I push you this way, is this the same or does it feel more?
It doesn't feel great down there still.
So it doesn't feel great, but it feels a little bit better going this way than it does if I pushed you out that way. Okay. Yeah, upper neck was spared a little bit. All your tense is the lower neck. This took brunt of the impact here. This side doesn't feel great either. Upper neck feels a little bit better though on this left side.
It definitely isn't as painful or tender.
And as soon as you get this lower neck, that is just tense. So I know what you're doing for work right now is you're on the computer, you're doing a lot of sitting, and then are you on your phone a lot as well?
Yeah.
So if you're on your phone a lot, you shouldn't be here anymore. I need you to bring that phone up here. So take one arm, put it underneath the other, so that way you're not just here. Now you're engaging your shoulders to now hold the phone. But at least here you're now relaxing those muscles, and I want you scrolling like this. Okay? The reason for that is that way your neck is upright and not craned forward. Each degree you crane this forward is now more weight on your neck and your low back, because the muscles aren't just in your neck. They're down here too, and they go up and travel all the way up. So they go from here all the way up into your neck. So when your neck goes forward, you're now tensing these guys to keep your head from collapsing. Poor neck, it's all glued. It's just vertebrae on top of vertebrae down here. And you can feel that. Oh, there you go. You just cracked one over my thumb there. She just nodded. Crack. side. Now, how's the pressure? Am I doing okay?
Yeah,
You're all
it's
right?
okay.
Okay. But yeah, your neck does not want to bend backwards either. Like your head should be able to do that, but
Yeah.
it's not. It just wants to hang out here.
The last time I did get an x-ray of my spine, it's like, my neck is like straight.
Like military neck
Yeah.
is what we call that, yeah. There, drop the right shoulder for me. That's it, almost to go. Drop the left shoulder.
Oof.
Oh, that is stuck. You ever had this one done before?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
I have not.
Okay, so I do not try to yank your head off.
Okay.
I do a light tug, light to medium is how hard I do this. Okay, this is really just to help traction the neck to try to pull apart those stuck joints because they're just all glued right now. Yep. All right. Breath in for me.
Oh,
How'd that one feel?
that was good.
Feel good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That felt crazy.
Woo, okay. I'm not even going to try for the other one. I'm just going to go right for the hip. I'm actually just going to take the one. Here we go. Ooh, that one's really crunchy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now feel the hips here. Yeah, right hip doesn't want to move.
It's so tight.
Yeah, that hip is stuck.
That's like the spot.
Is it really just tender when I push it?
Yeah.
Is it, if I try to push through this, you think it's going to be too painful?
No, it's okay. Go for it.
You're okay?
Mm.
Okay. This is just how I adjust the hip. So I just push here and I lift up on the thigh.
Okay.
Okay? Just a little breath in for me. And then out. Good. Right here. Breath in for me. Out. Good. All right. All right, with this one, just breath in for me. Right here, deep breath. That's it, that's how it's gonna go. All right, deep breath in here for me. Good. All right. Breath in here for me. One more time. Yeah, this back is frozen.
It's so tight.
Just keep breathing through it. Yeah, this is where you need to be using the foam roller.
Yeah.
Right here, squashing this.
Mm-hmm.
This is the worst part of your back.
I definitely just like lay over it a lot of the time.
Okay.
Like right there.
Yep. Yeah, you need to be spending quite a bit of time squashing this.
Oh.
Right here too. Okay. Whew. That's coming out of you. Tender there?
Yeah, very.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Oh, that's terrible.
What's up?
I said that's terrible.
This feels bad. Yeah. Now these tissues haven't moved since the accident, probably. that arm. Still pretty bad on this side.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That looks crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, on a scale of 0 to 10 of how bad that is, that's probably like a 7.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I would say.
That's so bad.
Yeah. And then in terms of your low neck, I know it's kind of hard to see, but you have these creases down here in the bottom of your neck. What the creases indicate is just that this is where most of your movement is happening in your neck.
Okay.
So you want those creases to start moving further up in your neck, just to where it goes up into here.
Yeah.
Because the upper neck is what does 50% of your range of motion. Right now it isn't doing that. It's recruiting the lower neck to kind of compensate for that loss of motion that is in the upper neck. And that's why the lower guys just wear out super quickly, is because they're just trying to do too much and they just weren't meant for that amount of work.
Gotcha.
Okay. All right, but how are you feeling so far though?
Good.
Like, even though your back looks like that, it's like...
No, it doesn't feel bad. I mean, a little sore, but...
Right, but nothing compared to when you first walked in. Like, I'm sure, like, you should feel like a weight has almost been lifted. Like, it doesn't feel as tense back there.
I'm a lot more fluid and can, like, move.
Right. All right, I'm going to finish up the rest of the cracks here.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to adjust the shoulder. So for this one, you're just going to put your hands on your hips like this for me. You're going to sit up as straight as you can, head back. And then you're just going to push back with the elbow here. There you go.
Oh, wow.
Easy enough. Here, let the elbow fall for me. Just let the arm, just give me the weight of the arm here. Just let it. There you go. Good. Wrist. This one you're just going to lean away from me. Just going to lean. There you go. Woof. There we go. Lean. Just lean. Don't. Relax the arm. Let the arm fall. There you go. Now just pull. Just like you're just gonna take your body weight that way. There you go. There it is. Good. All right. Bend forward for me. Lean forward. There you go. Let the arms relax here over mine. Good. All right. Breath in for me. And then out.
Oh my god. That was crazy.
Yep. That's how stuck that was. took all of both of our effort there to get that one guy to move.
Oh man, that felt so much better. Like, I was still really tight in my hip, and I feel like that now. I feel so much better.
Right. Just needed that a little bit more of an
Yeah.
effort. All right, you can come on up for me. Stand up. Watch out for the pedals. Yep. Go ahead and walk around and see how everything feels.
Oh my gosh. I feel like I can move.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot better.
Yeah. But you can see why I try to tell you to take it easy this next week, just because the muscles, because they feel good now. it does take them a week after they've been stretched and pulled, because I went in there with gua sha on my elbow, like things have been squished
Yeah,
and
for sure.
pulled apart. So it takes a little bit of time to kind of help them resettle and kind of rebuild themselves.
Okay,
Okay?
sounds good.
All right. So is there anywhere else you feel like I need to work on you before you head out?
I don't
Feeling
think
okay?
so. I think I'm good.
Okay. Well, thank you so
Awesome.
much for coming in.
Thank you so much. It was
That's
so
my
nice to
pleasure.
meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.